What's up, y'all? It's Full here, back again with another unboxing, another time with SuperX. Since last time it ended off kind of on a bad note, I'm just gonna leave up a little update. Don't know if this will be out or before or whatever, because I still waiting on getting back to support to get back with me so I can add it to the video beforehand. But we'll see what happens if it ever goes through. If it doesn't go through, then you'll know it didn't, because you didn't see it in that video. Anyway, so we got the Captain America gear today. We're going to compare the hoodies to the style of the hoodie to see if that cloth is actually longer or it's about the same. We did a comparison on my girlfriend hoodie, and I think it might have been a tad longer. Who knows? All I know is that the cloth is over the teeth, and what's the point of that? When I look at other jackets I got before, it's never there. The one time I see that cloth over the teeth is that they're trying to hide the zipper up top that I've seen on like the Just Saying gear. But anyways, let's get to opening. So we won't make this video too long. So we got the whole bundle, all in extra large, organized once again. So 2 joggers, 2 hoodies, a tank top, and a short, and a shirt. So we'll go with the shorts first. So there's 2 types of shorts. I think one had the star and one didn't. So here is the ones that don't. These are kind of almost feel like swim trunks, actually. You actually feel like swim trunks. Oh, you see I'm already sweating. That's why I have the fan stuff on. But yeah, these could definitely buy us swim trunks, y'all. So if you ever need swim trunks, get these. What do they call these? What do they call these? So it says Captain America Sea Rogers Performance Shorts. That's all it says. What's the other one says? Another Captain America Performance Shorts. But yeah, we'll see how this one, I think, is more like the Spider-Gwen one. Yeah, you can see the no-show pocket. And then the pocket on this side. And then like the Captain America logo there, kind of like how they had the graffiti for Spider-Gwen. It's not bad, I'm liking that. I could wear this one to the pool and then wear this one. So even though I do have Just Saying gear I'd rather wear, but I have the opportunity. So next we go with the tops. Joggers will stay with the hoodie performance showing after. So this one is the short sleeves. Let's see this one. Ooh. So this is kind of like the Venom one I bought already. The Venom one I bought was gray. They'd call it the Alter Ego, but I think it's called something different now. Yeah, this one doesn't say. It says Essential Short Sleeves. I think they call it Essential now. But they're pretty nice, actually. I thought about getting some more of the Venom one whenever they get back in stock, because I liked it for the undershirt. It felt real comfortable. So that'll be pretty good. And then the short sleeve. Because I already showed the other Captain America's off, or we didn't show them. There's 2 other ones that I got a tank top and short sleeves and a long sleeve that could go with this. This is more like the Civil War style, you could say. But got the sleeveless to go with it, so that's good. Next, the joggers. So this one is the Performance Joggers. Captain America Sea Rogers Performance Joggers. Ooh, okay. These are super thin compared to the other ones. These are like the shorts. Because you can see the zipper in the back, kind of like what the shorts had. Oh, interesting. Very, very interesting. I feel like the ankles might be a little tight. But and then they have the cargo pack. So these are like the cargo ones that everyone was saying. Not bad. And then here are the normal performance shorts that are more like the Spider-Gwen I showed. This one has 2 pockets. I think Spider-Gwen had 2, but one with zipper, one without. And then this one has the cargo side as well. That's very interesting. Very interesting that they have the other one more like windbreaker. But let's go to the hoodies. So open up the zipper one first. And what do we got here? Opened it up. And let's see. So you got the star there. SuperX on the back. I don't think they've really done that too much lately anymore. Could be wrong, because I think this is almost like a reprint of the original one they did. But we're going to check out the cloth on this one. So, camera, let's move down. So look at this. Cloth isn't that bad at all on this side. Let's check the other side. And the other side, once again, really not that bad. So definitely, I feel like they definitely misstitched. Oh, there goes my phone. At least it's in the bag. Misstitched the Spider-Gwen. I think even my girlfriend, I think, was over the teeth a little bit too, but I warned her to be careful with it, so we guess we'll find out, right? But as you can see, let's see if I can get a better angle. Oh, maybe that would be okay. Let's see. So you can see, look at that. And then there's the teeth. Look at that, that just folds right down there. And this isn't the side. This isn't the side that got clipped. As you can see, this side's the side that got clipped. Look at that. And then you look at this one. Do it inside out too. Look at that, dude. Not even close to going over the teeth at all. Like, what in the blue moon is my luck? And the support's trying to say it's my fault? Oh, hell to the no. I'm definitely going to bring that up too. Like, I just got this other one, and look at that. Like, this one's the size a little bit. Let's see if it zooms in. It's a little bit, as you can see, but definitely not going over the teeth. Like, I have to pinch. Look at that. So look at my fingers. Here's the teeth. I have to pinch. And then this one, I'm gonna drop that hood and everything, but it's all good. This one, I literally just row. Just row. Not even pitching. Like, that's why I'm like telling support, it's literally not my fault. Yeah, I could probably look at it and be like, hey, I should have looked at it and not zipped it up, but why do I need to do that with a jacket? Like I told you, you zip and you go. You don't, oh, I'm gonna look at it real quick. I can't get the teeth in there. Like, you don't do that. You just line up, and then, like, it's not that, it's not rocket science to make sure you do that. So hopefully, doing that comparison with that one, and then that one I take a picture of, show them again, and let them know, like, hey, look, man, like, it's a mishap. Come on, can you please give me something? Sending me a new one with the actual stitching good. You know what I mean? My actually, one of my friends, I think he got it, so I want to maybe see if he could send me a picture of that and see if on his girlfriend's or wife, actually, I think, is going over it as well or not. So I want to ask him and see if he could check a picture with it, so then they have multiple comparisons, you know. But we'll see. Anyways, might try some stuff on right now. Probably not. I'm already sweating, so probably not going to. So stay tuned for pictures. I'll you know what? I'll do some workout videos on this. I might change it a little different for these, showing them off. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to add an end of workouts now, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for that, and don't exit the video till you finish all that. Take care. All right, y'all. I got a little sidetracked there. Oh yeah, the mic might be a little different. Sound might be a little different since I have the fan on. I kind of just got distracted because of how the jacket and stuff is looking different. And then I forgot about the other hoodie, the non-zip one. And I just decided to leave the fan on because, like I said, I was sweating and that was making me distracted and annoyed a little bit. I hate the heat. It's hot in Texas right now, so even with the fans on, sometimes it sucks. But yeah, we'll open up that hoodie real quick, show that off. So this is a full hoodie, kind of like the Sam Wilson one that I did not show off because I was waiting for Ghost Rider coming before I do any unboxings. And yeah, like I said, they took forever for that one, and I got Sam Wilson's before that, so that's kind of weird. But anyways, so here's the cap one. That's pretty nice, full over hoodie. The back, I think, does have, see, this one doesn't have SuperX logo. It actually has like the shield on there, which I think is a pretty nice addition. Has the two zippers on the side. Right there, zipper, zipper there, and then it has a little slit. Like I feel like almost all their clothes does the slit stuff, which is pretty nice. A little annoying at times, but not bad. But anyways, y'all, like I mentioned earlier before, just stay tuned. I'll show off the gear on a different camera and maybe add some workout clips to it. I'm trying to make it a little different for here, so not to copy just saying the whole time. And then the Ghost Spider one, we'll get to that one eventually. We'll see what happens. But anyways, y'all, stay tuned for that. Don't exit the video. But peace for now.